Hi people, today we are in Kiambu County, a place called Megawa Golf Club. We have a 4-bedroom all en suite plus a DSQ mansionette for sale. So in the house we are having here, it is 350 square meters. So just come in and see what is inside. The house is on 50 by 100 feet. And you can see it has got a live fence. All the building here has got a live fence. So it's a very secure place. It's a place with 770 acres. We have 18 holes golf championship. We have hospitals here. We have the schools. So it's a place to be. Now you see the house inside. We have a very good door here with enough space where you can be able to enter with your furniture. As you enter the house, on this side we have a common washroom. This side we have the first bedroom. And here we have got a living room connected with the dining with an open kitchen. We have a chandelier right here. Then here we have got a fireplace. Nowadays we are putting the electric one. Just come and put on and off and enjoy the fire. The house has got a number of doors. There is this door to the backyard garden. We have another door here to the DSQ and a place for generator. So we come and have a tour to this open kitchen. And all the rooms has got the gypsum ceiling. We put the gypsum ceiling with the downlighters, chandelier everywhere. We have an open kitchen here, and here we have your cooker. You like this extractor here. Let's come and put it on and on. Start working. So there will be no smoke that will be going to the house. And on this side we have an oven for those people like baking some cakes. And the oven. Then here we have a dishwasher. It's a dishwasher, it is here. Just come and put the utensils here. We have a guest bedroom here. All the bedrooms are in suite. And they have got the shower cubicle. You can see the washroom has got a shower cubicle. Well done. With a lot of space. And they have got the sanitary wares which are the England standard with a warranty of 25 years. We go on and we see how the bedroom looks like. You can see the breathe area of the bedroom. It's a place that can fit a 4x6 bed, actually 2 of them. And we have enough closets. These are the closets. And also we have the dressing mirror on the other side. They are done very excellent. And all the rooms has got the gypsum ceiling. And also we have the wall lights and the downlighters. Now we can move on. On the down level here, we have a washroom for the guests. Well, normally we refer to the common washroom. From here, you can go to the upper level. We have 3 bedrooms in the upper level, which are all en suite. You can see the stairs. These are the wooden stairs. Each and every floor here is wooden. So stairs to the upper level. And you have a very big window on this side for the natural light. Once we are here, We have a bedroom here. We have the master bedroom here. We have also another bedroom here. So we start with the one on my right hand side. We can start with the washroom. We have the washroom here. The washroom with a bathtub on this side. Another small toilet here for the kid. You can see the space for the washroom. Now this bedroom, you can see the print area for this bedroom with the closets, gypsum ceiling, all right. It has a balcony here on this side. It's contained with a balcony here with a good view to the neighbors here. Can go to the third bedroom here on this side. All the bedrooms here in suite, and we normally start with the washroom here, and the washroom for the third bedroom. The bedroom with the gypsum ceiling. It has a good print area where you can put your bed, and it has a unique here. It has a unique here walk-in closet with the sliding doors. There's a closet here with the sliding doors, which has got enough space for your clothes. Now we can move to the master bedroom. Master bedroom is spacious one, as you see, with the closet there, gypsum ceiling, the very well done finishing. It's also connected to master bedroom washroom with a bathtub and shower cubicle. The bathtub you see there. The other side you see the mirror there with a wash hand sink, plus a shower cubicle on the other end. This is a well designed washroom with the tiles from top to bottom. It is also connected to a balcony. Master bedroom also has a balcony with a very good view to the backyard garden and the neighbors on this side. So we can now as well go to the outside of the house. You have a view of the backyard garden. As you can see, it's a very green one, very well maintained. All these are backyard garden, and you can also be able to see a backyard view or a back view of the house. On this side is the outside of the house. We have the entrance all around. On this side, this is the outside of the house. We have the right fence all around. The plot is a 50 by 100 plot with a right fence. And here we have quite a number of rooms. We have the washing area here. We have the washing area here. And here next we have the DSQ. It's an ensuite DSQ. You can go and see how it looks like inside. Here the DSQ, you can see it's enough room to can be able to put your bed here. You have a closet here and you have the washing on that side. The house also has got a generator room. This is the generator room for power backup. So we really appreciate for your time. Thank you for your time for viewing our videos. Can you like and subscribe so that you can be able to notify you when you have more videos in the coming days. So today we are on a mega golf estate with the hospitals, hotels. Now you are moving out of the mega golf estate in the driveway. So we really appreciate for your time. Can you like and subscribe so that you can be able to notify you when you have more videos in the coming days. Thank you very much.